How about teaching geography without bringing in maps but bringing in some really cool art supplies? Because teaching map should be done without bringing in map at all. Now you'd be like, oh man, not again with you and your dumb thoughts. But
So रुको जरा सबर करो
so when I come to the class, I'd be very fancy bringing in a chart paper, maybe some sketch pens, inch tape, blah 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 blah, any stationary items which would make the student go there. Now you come to the class and then you'd be like, guys, you need to make a map of your class or of your school because they have been studying in the school for many years, if I am supposing that. And now and you need to tell them that there is no beginners thing, like you don't have to be good at art, you don't have to be good at drawing, you can use anything, you can just use lines or you can use indicators, it's all your creativity. Now the guys will be making a map of their classroom or of their school as per them. Like it's like if you have to tell a person who is a stranger to your school and you hand them over this map, how will they come to your class? Okay. And now these kids are making their maps, and when they are sharing about their thoughts or when they are sharing their maps with each other, you'd be like, "Arey, tumne canteen yahan kyun bana diya, bro? You missed the playground, bro. The washroom isn't there, bro. That class, that class." So there's this whole halla machega class mein. But now you have introduced the concept of scale and perspective without bringing in an official map. And when you take the concept from there and show them the actual map it looks like, ki how these borders are made, how that blue thing indicates water, how the shape or the size is there, the projection motions, the distortions, the atlas, everything. Now it will all fit in their brain. And now when they see a map, it's not just about locating where Japan or Brazil or their own city is, but it's about the scale, the shape, the land, the directions, the perspective that they have made in. And when they look at the map or when they look at the atlas, it's not the same anymore. Because it's very important that you maybe it would be like an extra work for you guys. I can be sure of that. But sometimes these activities are very important for you to start because the child is like waiting for more. You know, what's coming up next? He's very interested and he won't miss one single class of yours. So try this without bringing in maps, and your geography class would be so much interesting.